Welcome back into my office. You're with me, Brian, and we're going to take a look now at a large folding 19th century linen-backed city plan of Philadelphia in the publisher's card and cloth binder, like so. It unfolds in this manner here. It is well preserved. It's hand colored. It's very large, like so, like this. Okay. Yeah, it's enormous, really. And we see that it is 1891 by Smith. There is this really fine, charming little vignette illustration here of a man fishing right there above the street directory. The surface of the map is clean. The statistical notes are above the title. And what's interesting here is below the distance scale is this list of elevations of the highest recorded points above high tide in the Delaware River. Very interesting little feature on a map that's almost never, I can't recall seeing a high tide mark list on a map before like this. But at any rate, this shows you how the map survives, and if it interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.